Call me a POS mom. Just know my kids requested a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. And no, I'm not making it from scratch. No, I am not making my own bread. No, I am not making my own jelly. And no, I'm not making my own freaking peanut butter. I promise you, none of us are making it out alive. And since I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom, I'm gonna add a little touch and grill the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And don't even sit here and act like you never had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich before. And if you didn't, you're really missing out on a lot. The number one question that I always get, why did you have 4 kids at 23 if you can't even feed them properly? Like, babe, it's literally just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I am not gonna sit here and waste food and money on foods that I know my children aren't gonna eat. The last thing I want to do is please you. I'm trying to make sure my kids eat. Oh my god, but the sugar. Baby, we are not scared of sugar. At the end of the day, the only thing that I care about is that my kids have a full stomach. Toddlers do not give 0 fuck. If the food on their plate is something that they do not like, they will not eat it. My kids will literally look at it and say no. So again, I am feeding my kids what they will eat. Because you know who runs this house? Not me. These 4 kids. I just pay the bills. I'm literally just their snack bitch. I love my 4 little broke besties. And if they want some peanut butter jelly sandwich, I will give it to them.
Come again.